Hello students, so today we are going to do a couple problem with percent. Number one, Kyle went out to eat at Red Robin and tipped his server 17%. If his meal cost $24.50, how much did he spend in total? So he tipped 17% of the cost, $24.50. So you can set up the proportion, 17 out of 100, which is 17%. Set it equal to, now 17 is the part, 100 is the whole. So when we have $24.50 in total, it's gonna be at the bottom. And we're looking for the cost of the tip. So we can cross multiply and divide. Okay, so you can pause the video and multiply on your own. Okay. Okay, and make sure you have your decimal. Now you're gonna divide it by 100. So when you have this number and you want to divide it by 100, you don't need to put in the bracket and divide. You just need to move your decimal twice. Because when you divide it 100, your number will be smaller. So now you will have 4.1650 because money, so you have to round it to the nearest hundred. So this one will need to be rounded to $4.17. They looking for, that's just the tip. So to be able to find the total cost, so you're gonna add with the cost of the meal. So it will be $28.67. All right, number two. Kayla had 25 pair of shoes in her closet. She decided that was too many pair of shoes, so she gave some of her shoes away. Now she have down to 15 pair. What is the percent of the shoes she give away? So we are looking for the percent that she give away. So she have 25 and now she have 15. So basically she give away 10 pairs. You subtract them, right? So 25 take away 15 is 10. Now we're gonna compare. This is kind of like percent decreasing. So we have the formula difference over original and x out of 100. So 10 out of the original is 25 pairs. So we have 10 out of 25, x out of 100. Then you can cross multiply and divide. So 100 times 10, you just need to add one more extra zero. And when you divide it by 25, 25 going to 0, 1, 25 going to 10, 0, 25 going to 100, 4, 4 times 25 is 100, 25, put that a 0, 25 going to 0, 0 time. So we have 40%. All right, number three. Kara bought the microwave for $75. Half the sales tax is 8.5%. How much did she spend in total? All right, so we will have 8.5% mean 8.5 out of 100. And then we have part, we don't know how much is the tax, so it's going to be X over the total cost of the microwave, so it will be 75. Then you can cross multiply and divide it by 100. So you can stop the video to multiply and move your decimal. And then after that, you're going to divide by 100. Okay, so I just multiply and make sure you move your decimal 1. This you move 1. Now, you have to divide it by 100. So I'm going to move my decimal twice to the left. So now you have $6. And make sure you round the number to the 100. So I have $6.38. So that's just the tax. To find how much you spend in total, you're going to combine the tax and the cost of the microwave. Make sure you line them up and fill in the 0. So it will be $81.38. Number 4. Christina has the coupon 20% off and a coupon for $20. Which will be the better use on the dining room chair that costs $85? How much better is that option? So the cost is $85, 20% off. So we're gonna do 20% is 20 out of 100. And we have X out of 85. Part to whole, cross multiply and divide. So 20 times 85 is 1,700. And then if you divide it by 100, it will be $17. Now she used a coupon, so the chair will not be $85. It will be much cheaper, right? So you save $17, so you subtract 17. So you're gonna borrow, become 8. This will become 6. So this will be $68. Okay, that's a 20% off. If they say $20 off, you will take 85 and subtract 20. 5 minus 0 is 5. 8 minus 2 is 6. So which one will be better? 65 is cheaper. So I would use the coupon for $20 off. Number 5. Garrett has a rock collection. He had 150 rock in his collection, but then went on vacation to a state park, and now he has 215. What is the percent change in his collection? Rounded to the nearest percent. So he had 150 rock, and now he had 215. So what is the percent of change? So he gained by having more rock, right? Let's see how much that he gained. I'm gonna subtract to see the difference. So that's not, that one will be should not be there. So it's gonna be 65. So 65. Remember the formula, difference over original. This formula will be used to find the percent of change. X out of 100. So 65 out of 150. X out of 100. Okay, you can stop the video and do cross multiply and divide. We'll find out the percent. So 65 times 100 is 6,500 divided by 150. Okay, When we have 0 on divisor and dividend, I'm gonna cancel them out. 15 going to 6, 0, 15 going to 65, 4 times 15 will be 60. 65 minus 60 will be 5. Drop out the 0. 15 going to 53 times. 3 times 15 will be 45. 15 minus 45 will be 5. Borrow 0 and you're gonna have a decimal. But they tell you to round it to near a percent. So it will be 43%. Okay. Number 6. Zane went out to the shopping and all of the Halloween decoration were now discounted by 15%. He bought a big fake spider for his front lawn that was originally priced $64.99. How much did he save on the spider? Okay, number 6 will be the same with number 4 when we have the discount problem, right? It is discount. So I'm not gonna do number 6 with you because you're gonna use the information, and also it's the same with number 4. So try it on your own. If you got stuck, you can take number 4 as reference and set up your proportion. 15% means 15 out of 100. The original price is $64.99. We're looking for how much did he save. So whatever you have for the X will be your answer. Okay. Now, you don't need to subtract for your original price because they don't ask for the price of the spider. So they just asking for the saving. How much he saved. So whatever you have for X will be your answer. So go ahead and stop the video and do the math. Number 7, Judy saw an advertisement on a new TV that priced $950, and then he had the coupon for 35% off. So how much he saved on this TV? So it's similar with problem number 6 and problem number 4. So you can go back and take a look what you have done. You can continue. And of course, they're looking for how much do they save. So you just need to looking for the discount, the money. All right, I'm gonna do number 8 with you. Melissa's selling a couch and she had originally bought it for $565 and now selling it marked up by 20%. How much will she selling the couch for? So mark up, right? You bought it, but you mark it up, so you're gonna sell more than whatever you have, right? So you can earn money. So 20%, 20 out of 100, and X out of 565. You can cross multiply and divide. 565 times 20. I just need to multiply it by 2, and then I'm going to add an extra 0 later. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12, add 1, 13. 2 times 5 is 10, add 1, 11. And don't forget that bring back the 0. And then divide it by 100. 1, 2 decimal to the left. So it will be $113. That is the markup. Okay. Now you're going to add it. Since they say add up, markup. So you add it with your original price. So you're gonna sell the couch for $678, and you make 113 on your own. All right, so that's it. I'll see you next time.